Good morning, students. So today I am going to deal with last type in probability topic, that is most important. Last type is binomial distribution. Its previous type is probability distribution of random variable. Here last type in probability is binomial distribution of random variable. They may be asked in final exam 5-mark question in your question paper. Part D, question number 48 belongs to the type of probability that is binomial distribution. Okay. Now here binomial already you learned in first year PUC in first mathematics, that is in binomial theorem. The statement of binomial theorem is, what is that? If x and a are any two real numbers and n is positive integer, then x plus a whole power n is equal to expand it. That is 5-mark question in previous year. You know, x plus a whole power n is equal to, what is the formula? nc naught x power n minus 1 plus nc1 x power, that is n, here nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into a square plus and so on. In general, ncr x power n minus r into a power r and so on, ncn a power n. This is the statement of binomial expansion, which is discovered by name of scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, now this is the expansion of binomial theorem. Okay, now here first term is nc naught x power n. Second term is nc1. Second term nc1. 1 is the second term. 2 is the nc2 is the third term. nc3 is the fourth term. nc4 is the fifth term, and so on. ncr, which term is ncr? This is r plus 1th term, not rth term. This is r plus 1th term. As you know that the general term in the expansion is ncr at x power n minus r into a power r. This is the general term in the binomial expansion, which is the r plus 1th term of the binomial expansion, and it is denoted by tr plus 1. Therefore, tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. This is the general term in the binomial expansion is ncr x power n minus r into a power r, which is the r plus 1th term, not rth term, denoted by tr plus 1. This is the formula. Based on this formula, solving so many problems in first PU, isn't it? Same concept here in binomial distribution. Here the probability of x successes. Now here there are two results. One is success, another one is failure. One is happy, another one is unhappy. Opposite. Okay. Now here the probability of x successes, that is p of x equal to x, which is also denoted by simply p of x, and is given by the formula p of x is equal to, where x is success, so p of x is success. Success is the ncx q power n minus x into p power x. Illede r ide, r success instead of r by taking x success. So p of x is equal to, instead of ncr, by taking here ncx, because by taking x is the success, q power n minus x into p power x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು x and a real number ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು p and q are the probabilities. p and q are also real number. Those two are probabilities. When p is success, then q is failure. One success, one failure. Not all are success, not all are failure. One success is the another one is failure. Say for example, if a coin toss, one coin toss model, what are the outcomes? Two outcomes, head and tail. Okay, now find the probability of head occurs. Find the probability of, mention head occurs. Now that head occurs denoted by ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಟೇಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್. tail is failure. Okay, find the probability of head occurs, that is P of H, head occurs. Now total outcome is 2, only one favorable case, that is 1 by 2. head ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ tail ಆಗುತ್ತೆ failure. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು tail ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ head is failure. Opposite, if a die is rolled, how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. Among those 6 outcomes, let find the probability of odd number. Getting odd number is a success. Mention ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನ, getting odd number is a success. odd number ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? success. ಅಂದ್ರೆ odd number success ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? even number. even number ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? failure. one is success and the one is failure. Just opposite, happy, unhappy, like that. Okay, now we suppose when P is success, Q is failure, then its probability binomial distribution of variable is P of X is equal to, remember that formula, NCX Q power n minus x into P power x, where P is success, Q is failure. Suppose when P is failure, Q is success, when Q success ಇದ್ದಾಗ, then Q of x is equal to NCX Q power x, because Q is success, Q power x P power n minus x. interchange ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Q ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ P ಬರುತ್ತೆ, P ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ Q ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ? when P is failure, Q is success, then Q of x is equal to NCX Q power x into P power n minus x. And note that success plus failure always equal to 1. Check it. If you take one simple example, if a die is rolled, how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. Yes, is the sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the probability of getting odd number is a success. Odd number is a success and the odd number is a success. That is P number. What are the odd number is a success? 1, 3, 5, only 3. Okay, correct? Then what is probability of success? Odd number. How many favorable case? 3 among 6 outcomes, that is 1 by 2. Right? Next, probability of getting odd number is a success. Odd number ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ what is failure? Remaining numbers are failures. What are remaining numbers? Even number. Even number ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Even number is failure. That is given by Q. Therefore, probability of even number, Q of failure. How many even numbers? 2, 4, 6. Again 3 even numbers. 3. Outcome is 6. 1 by 2. P is 1 by 2. Q is 1 by 2. Add those two. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. How much? 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. So remember, success plus failure always equal to 1. So here remember, when P is success, then probability of x is equal to, remember that formula, NCX Q power n minus x into P power x, where x is equal to random variable 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n, where P is success, Q is failure. Suppose P is failure, Q is success, then Q of x is equal to NCX Q power x into P power n minus x, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n variables. Okay, this is the formula for binomial distribution. ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ NCR x power n minus r into a power r. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? NCR ಬದಲಿ x, instead of x and a, by taking probabilities P and Q. Q power n minus x into P power x. When P is success, Q is failure. Here P is failure, Q is success. Remember those two formula. Based on this formula, only remember that formula. No proof. Proof in exam here. Only remember that formula. Based on that formula to solve the problems, that is 5-mark question. Okay? Problem number 1, based on binomial distribution of random variable, when P is success, Q is failure, P of x is equal to NCX Q power n minus x into P power x, where x is set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n. Okay. Now, based on this first problem, very important problem, 5-mark question. That problem was asked in several times. Okay, maximum times ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ನೋಡಿ 5 mark in your question paper part D question number 48. Question number 48 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ purely binomial distribution problem. 5 mark, very simple problem. Read the question carefully. If a fair coin is tossed 10 times, now here the formula P of x equal to NCX q power n minus x into P power x. P and Q are the probabilities. P is success, Q is failure. N is number of trials, number of times. N represent number of times. Now here in this example, if a fair coin tossed, how many times? 10 times. N value is given 10. Find the probability of getting exactly 6 heads. ಯಾವುದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಹೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೇಲ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ probability of exactly 6 tails ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಿದ್ರೆ tail is success, head is failure. Opposite. ಈಗ ಹೆಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೆಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್. Now find the probability of getting exactly 6 heads, at least 6 heads, at most 6 heads. 5 mark question. Very simple. Look here. Now here given data. A coin tossed. If a coin tossed, one coin toss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what are the outcomes? Yes is the sample space, 2 outcomes, head to tail. Only 2 outcomes. Okay. Let P is equal to P of head. Head ಏನಿದು? Success. Head mention ಮಾಡಿದ ತಾನೆ? That is success. P of head, probability of head. Total outcome is 2. Among 2 outcomes, only one head. P value is 1 by 2. Then what about Q? Q is failure. Now here you know that sum of probabilities P plus Q, success plus failure is equal to 1. Using this Q is equal to, we can write 1 minus P, that is 1 minus P value 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. We got P and Q value. Here N is given number of trials. How many times? 10 times. Okay. Therefore we know the formula. Probability of x is equal to, what is the formula? NCX q power n minus x into P power x, where P is the success, that is head appears. Head ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೋ that is the success. Other one is failure. Now substituting the value. What is n? N is 10. Cx. What is q? 1 by 2 to the power of n value 10 minus x. P value 1 by 2 to the power of x. Right? Further simplify. 10 Cx. Bases are same. ಎರಡು ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. Apply law of indices. A power m into a power m. A power m plus n. 1 by 2 to the power of 10 minus x plus x minus x cancel. That is 10 Cx. 1 by 2 to the power of 10. This is P of x. Okay. Now take one by one question. So first question, what is that? Find the probability of exactly 6 heads. P of exactly 6 heads. X is equal to 6. What x equal to 6? 10 C6 1 by 2 to the power of 10. 10 C6. You know the formula for combination. Combination formula. Do you remember? NCR is equal to, what is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. 10 C6. Understand ನೋಡಿ. 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. Expand it, simplify. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 10 minus 6 4 factorial. 4 factorial is same as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are, 3 ones are 3 threes are, 2 cancel. 10 threes are 30. 30 into 7 2 10. 1 power 10 is 1. 2 power 10. 2 and 10 times multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1024. Now here 2 5s are 10. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 5s are. That is 105 divided by 512. So probability of exactly 6 heads is 105 by 512. This is first question answer. Right? Second question. Find the probability of at least 6 heads. The word at least 6 heads means either 6 heads or more than 6 heads, either 6 or more than 6 heads, that is equal to, how to write, P of x equal to 6 plus P of x equal to 7 plus probability of x is equal to 8 plus probability of x is equal to 9 plus probability of x is equal to 10. Maximum 10. More than 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. But maximum number of times is 10 times, up to 10. More than or equal to 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Substituting the values, that equals P of at x equal to 6. 10 C6 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Put x equal to 6. 10 C6 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Plus put x equal to 7. 10 C7 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Put x equal to 8. 8 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 C8 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Put x equal to 9. 10 C9 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Put x equal to 10. 10 C10 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Then simplify. Among those, what is common number? Common value ಏನಿದೆ 1 by 2 to the power of 10 is common, right? Common ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 10 C6 plus 10 C7 plus 10 C8 plus 10 C9 plus 10 C10, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simplify. 1 by 2 to the power of 10. 10 C6. 10 C6 solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 210. 10 C7. 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 7 factorial into 7 factorial. That is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 10 minus 7 3 factorial. That is 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 7. Cancel. 3 ones are 3 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are, right? 10 threes are 30. 30 into 4 120. Correct? Next 10 C8. 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial. Simplify. 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 10 minus 8 is 2 factorial into 8 factorial. 8 8 factorial cancel. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 into 9 45. 10 C9. 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 9 factorial into 9 factorial. 10 into 9 factorial divided by 10 minus 9. 1 factorial is ultimate 1 into factorial 9. 9 9 cancel, that is 10. 10 C10 is 1. Right? Then simplify. That equals 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Add all things. 1 plus 5 6. 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. 2 plus 1 3. 386. That is 386 divided by 2 power 10 is 1024. Simplify further. 2 ones are 2, right? 2 nines are 2 threes are 2 fives are 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 193 divided by 512. That is the value of probability of at least 6 heads. Okay. Third one. Find the probability of at most 6 heads. The word at most 6 heads means either 6 heads or less than 6 heads. 6 heads ಇರುವುದು ಅಥವಾ 6 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ. 6 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇರುವುದು? It will be 5 head, 4 head, 3 head, 2 head, 1 head, no head. So we write P of x equal to 6 less than 6, P of x equal to 5 plus P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 3 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 1, right? P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 0, less than 6x, right? 1 by 1 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That equals P of x equal to 6. Put x equal to 6. 10 C6 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Put x equal to 5. 10 C5 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Put x equal to 4. 10 C4 1 by 2 to the power of 10. X equal to 3. 10C3 1 by 2 to the power of 10. X equal to 2. 10C2 1 by 2 to the power of 10. X equal to 1. 10C1 1 by 2 to the power of 10. X equal to 0. 10C0 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Right? Among those, what is common? 1 by 2 to the power of 10 common. Remaining value 10C6 plus 10C5 plus 10C4 plus 10C3 plus 10C2 plus 10C1 plus 10C0. Simplify. 1 power 10 is 1, 2 power 10 is 1024, 10C6 value 210 plus 10C5 after simplification. 10C5 how much? 10C5 simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 10C5 252. 10C4 after simplification 10C4 is 210. 10C3 after simplification 120. 10C2 after simplification 45. 10C1 is 10. 10C0 is 1. Right? Then simplify. Final answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. That is equal to ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8, that is 8. Then 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14, carry 1 2 4 6 8, 848 divided by 1024. Further simplify. How much? 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 ದಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So or 16 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. After simplification 16 53s are 53 divided by 64. After simplification 53 divided by 64. This is probability of at most 6 heads. Okay, that is 5 mark question. Practice ಮಾಡಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. then P is success, Q is failure, then formula is NCX Q power n minus x into P power x. Suppose P is failure, Q is success, Q of x equal to NCX P power n minus x into Q power x. Okay, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಅಗೇನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 says similar to problem number 1, a die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is a success, that is mentioned, odd number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ, success. What is the probability of getting 5 successes? First question, at least 5 successes. Third question, at most 5 successes. Very simple question. Look here. You know that if a die rolled, given a die roll is rolled, you know that if one die rolled, what are outcomes? 6 outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right? Now, what is the, if getting an odd number is a success? Now, probability of getting an odd number is success. Given getting an odd number is a success, that is P of success is equal to, notice, what are the odd numbers? 1 3 5. How many odd numbers? 3 odd numbers. Now total number of outcome is 6. Among 6 outcomes, what are the odd numbers? 3 odd numbers, namely 1 3 5. 3 favorable case, outcome is 6. 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Probability of getting odd number is 1 by 2. What about another one is even number, that is failure. Therefore Q is equal to, we can write 1 minus P, because success plus failure is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to 1. Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus P value 1 by 2, that is also 1 by 2. Here n is equal to number of trials 6 times, right? Therefore, probability of success P of x is equal to, you know the formula, using binomial distribution, NCX q power n minus x into p power x, right? Now substituting the values. What is n? N is 6cx. What is q? 1 by 2 to the power of 6 minus x. Again p value 1 by 2 to the power of x, right? Further simplify. 6cx bases are same. Apply laws of indices. A power m into a power n. A power m plus n minus x plus x cancel. 1 by 2 to the power of 6, right? Now to find one by one question. Now first one, find the probability of 5 successes. P of x is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 5 in this result. 6c5 1 by 2 to the power of 6. That equals 6c5 combination 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. That is 6. Correct? 1 power 6 1. 2 power 6 is 64. Further simplify. 2 3s are 2 32s are. So probability of 5 successes is 3 by 32. Correct? Second one. Find the probability of at least 5 successes. The word at least. Either 5 successes or more than 5 successes. P of x is equal to 5 plus P of x is equal to 6. Then x equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. So many numbers. But maximum number of times is 6 times. Only 2. 5 and 6. Don't take 7, 8, 9, 10. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇರೋದು 6 times ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. The number of times is 6. So that only 2 terms, x equal to 5, x equal to 6. Now put x equal to 5, 6c5 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Put x equal to 6, 6c6 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Simplify. Among those two, 6c5, or you can take 1 by 2 to the power of 6 common. Remaining value 6c5 plus 6c6. 1 power 6 is 1, 2 power 6 is 64, 6c5 value 6, 6c6 is 1. One other third, 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. 6 minus 6 is 0 factorial. Note that 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So that is equal to 7 divided by 64, correct? Then third one, find the probability of getting at most 5 successes. At most. Either 5 or less than 5. What are the numbers? At x equal to 5 plus at x equal to 4 plus at x equal to 3 plus at x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 0. Less than 5. These are the numbers less than 5. Now substituting the value one by one. At x equal to 5. Here 6c5 1 by 2 to the power of 6. At x equal to 4. 6c4 1 by 2 to the power of 6. At x equal to 3. 6c3 1 by 2 to the power of 6. At x equal to 2. 6c2 1 by 2 to the power of 6. At x equal to 1. 6c1 1 by 2 to the power of 6. At x equal to 0. 6c0 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Now simplify. Among those, what is common? Common is 1 by 2 to the power of 6 common table. Remaining value 6c5 plus 6c4 plus 6c3 plus 6c2 plus 6c1 plus 6c0. So 1 by 2 to the power of 6. 6c5 is 6. 6c4, 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Simplify 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial into 2 into 4 factorial. Cancel 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 15. Right? 6c3, 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Further simplify 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 divided by factorial 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, into another factorial 3 is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, 3 factorial cancel, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 6 cancel, 5 4s are 20. 6C2 is same as 6C4, correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 6 factorial divided by 6C2, 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial, 2 factorial is nothing but 2, 4 factorial cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 15. 6C1, 6 factorial by 6 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial, that is 6. 6C0, 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial, how much? That is 1, right? Simplify, add all things, 15 plus 6 21, plus 20 41, 41 plus 15 56, 56 plus 1 57 plus 6 63, divided by 10 power 6 is 2 power 6 is 64, 63 divided by 64, probability of at most 5 successes is 63 by 64. Very important problem. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. probability of successes is equal to NCX q power n minus x into p power x. Suppose P is success, Q is failure. Suppose P is failure, Q is success. What is the formula? Q of x equal to NCX. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? P ಬರುತ್ತೆ. P ಇದ್ದರೆ Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. P power n minus x into Q power x. ಯಾವಾಗಿದು? Q success ಇದ್ದಾಗ. When P is success, remember that formula. Okay, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ in your question paper. Part D, question number 48. Practice ಮಾಡಿ. In part D, there are 10 questions. Question number that is 39 to 48. Among 10 questions, you have to attempt only 6 questions. ನೀವು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತನ ಅವ್ನು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ. 48 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.